Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to share my experience of learning with RockzFX, and I'm going to share a review with you covering what was included in the course, the benefits and the negatives. So if you're considering joining RockzFX, I think this video will be really useful for you. Let's get into it. Hey guys, if you're new to my channel, my name's Emily and on Mindfully Trading, I share my journey as I grow and develop as a Forex trader. A quick disclaimer before we dive into this video, I am not currently receiving any money or any payments from RockzFX for creating this video. I'm merely creating it to share an honest review of my experience taking the course with RockzFX. So I carried out the course back in January of this year, 2021, and I opted for the 1 month access, the 1 month subscription to the course. That includes the full course content as well as the chat room. The course by RockzFX shares how to trade Forex using pure price action. So Rox, when he trades, he uses clean charts, he uses pure price action, which means that he does not use or integrate any indicators whatsoever into his technical analysis. He's simply reading the charts, the market structure and the candlesticks, and that is his strategy. That's what he teaches in his course. There are two options for the RockzFX course. The first option is the Elite package, which is on a monthly subscription basis, and currently it's set at £99 per month. The other option is the Ultimate package, and this is a one-time fee which is currently at £597, and that gives full access to the course without an end date. The course itself is mainly comprised of loads of different videos that Rox recorded live with his students, so they are pre-recorded videos of live lessons. The course videos cover many different topics including candlestick patterns, market structure, trade entry patterns and a variety of different strategies. However, there are no course books available, there are no downloads that you can read. It is all video based, so if you want something that you can read, you're going to have to make some notes as you go along. And what I decided to do was actually screenshot a lot of the video content to save for later. The course also includes access to some live sessions, including some live trading sessions and also mentor sessions that work out around about 2 or 3 sessions per week. Let's talk about some positives of the RockzFX course. First of all, the course provides a lot of chart time. He spends a lot of time simply going over market structure and really takes it back to the basics, but it is very effective and very powerful. The strong focus that Rox shares on market structure really allowed me to see the overall markets in a different light, which was one of the main reasons that I chose to join in the first place, to fill the gaps in my knowledge, because I knew that I did not have a strong foundation in Forex, and carrying out the RockzFX course definitely gave me a strong foundation, which mainly included a strong foundation in the movement of markets. Another positive is that there are different options available for how you actually take the course, which is quite useful if you're on a limited budget, because you might not have enough money to access the one-time fee option, but there is a monthly option, so you can choose to subscribe for how many months that you can afford or how many that you need. Another super bonus of this course is that there are loads of different strategies available to learn. Because the way that Rox trades, he's trading price action and market movements, and these are very flexible because they can move on to different time frames, which means that if you've got a very busy lifestyle or you're trying to learn how to trade around work, then this course will be really useful for you, because you can effectively choose the time frame that suits your lifestyle and apply the strategies to that time frame. The different time frames that Rox goes over in his course includes the 4 hour, the 1 hour, trading the 15-minute time frame, and then he also covers some scalping strategies which use the 5-minute time frame and even the 1-minute time frame. On the other hand, let's have a look at some of the negatives of the RockzFX course. So first of all, there are no downloadable books or course content available. It is all primarily video based. This might not necessarily be a negative for you, but I'm quite a nerd and I do enjoy reading, so I was a little bit disappointed that I didn't have a book that I could print off to study when I wasn't on the computer. And personally, I found it would have been nice to have extra variety to the media available for learning. One of the main negatives for me as well is the fact that Rox never actually shares his broker during his live trading sessions or on his recordings. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I like to see real trading data, and maybe I've got trust issues, but it would have meant a lot more to me if I actually saw his broker, if I saw his profit and loss, if I saw the trades he was getting into, rather than just seeing them on the charts, because at the end of the day, anybody can show you trades on a chart. It doesn't actually mean that you've taken those trades. Personally, I feel that if I saw the real action in his broker, that it would have given me a lot more confidence in the strategies and in the course itself, which is why I am listing this as one of the negatives. So what would I have told myself before I took the course? Well, first of all, I would have said to be sure about what you actually want from the course, how much information that you need, because this makes a difference as to whether the monthly subscription basis or the one-time fee is the better option for you. So for example, if you, like myself, already had knowledge of trading, knowledge of the Forex markets, and you just wanted a top-up course or you wanted to explore different strategies, then maybe the monthly subscription basis would be best for you, because you might only need a couple of months in there, which would work out cheaper compared to the one-time fee. On the other hand, if you are entering this as a complete beginner and you know that you're going to need to take some time and you don't want to rush the process, then definitely go for the one-time fee, and then you don't have the pressure of any expiry date on your course material. So what are my views on the course now? Well, I'm really happy that I took the course, and I'm really glad that I chose the RockzFX experience for a month, because it really gave me what I needed. It filled a lot of gaps in my knowledge, and it gave me a really good insight into the ways and the strategies that other traders use to trade the Forex markets. It's my understanding that there is no strategy out there that will immediately make you profitable. That is up to you. Once you have an understanding of the technicals of trading, you have to practice, you have to really build your experience up. You have to keep backtesting your strategy, and you have to keep applying it to the market, because ultimately being able to trade the markets profitably is a skill, and it takes time to really refine it and become a trader. I like to think of trading like playing the guitar. If you've never played the guitar before, you can take a course, you can learn the chords, you can learn the music, you can go away and maybe you can play a song, but it's probably not going to sound very good, because if you want to really be a high quality guitarist, it's going to take time to really build your muscle memory, to build your skills, to build your ability to hear the sounds, to make sure you're playing them in tune. There are many aspects to making a guitarist compared to a beginner guitarist, and I think it's so similar to trading. Would I recommend studying with RockzFX? Absolutely. I think that Rox teaches some really good habits and shares a lot of brilliant information for both beginners and existing traders alike. He shares a very disciplined approach to trading with a strong focus on managing risk, and I do believe it's worth the money. I hope that you've enjoyed this review on the RockzFX course. If you have, be sure to hit the like button below, and don't forget to subscribe for more content. If you have studied with RockzFX yourself, be sure to comment below. It would be great to hear your experience, or if you are profitable from trading his strategies, be sure to share your experience below. Meanwhile, I'll catch you on my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!